Yoruba Nation movement is an ongoing movement that still involves a lot of conversation. The Yorubas that are asking for their right to self-determination, which is the right under the United Nations and the African Union, and likewise all other international law, is a movement that also wants to free the indigenous people. But the reason why we are still having so many Yorubas that believe in Nigeria is because of the lack of understanding that the Yoruba have been around for thousands of years. Nigeria is just less than 108 years old, and when we look at the current situation of things since Nigeria was put together after the 1914 amalgamation and the 1960 independence, we will realize that the Yoruba people are still backwards in terms of education, welfare, lack of security, and so many other issues as well. But the question is, should we continue to be part of this country called Nigeria? What are the likely chances that the Yoruba people will progress? Um, if we go back to history, we will understand that the Yoruba people have been doing very well, extremely very well, up till the last 40 years that we've lost almost everything. The institution is not there. You go to most of our primary schools and you realize that these system that should give the Yoruba people a solid background. And the moment that the education sector have been destroyed, then it is a problem. We are not just asking for Yoruba nation just because we are asking. We are asking because it's our right, it's our fundamental human right. And if we don't want to be part of Nigeria, I don't think anybody should hold us to that. So fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tí ó bá láǹfààní àti gbọ́ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pé eh, àjọṣe wa papọ̀ pẹ̀lú Nàìjíríà kò ń ṣe tí a lè máa continue. Àjọṣe papọ̀ yẹn ó ń dá ìfàsẹ́yìn fún ìran ọmọ Yorùbá. Ìdí pàtàkì ni pé ìran ọmọ Yorùbá ti ń bẹ láti thousands of years kó tó di pé àwọn òyìnbó aláwọ̀ funfun ni wọ́n kó gbogbo wa papọ̀ tí wọ́n fi sọ wá di Nàìjíríà lénìí. Tá a bá dá dúró, kò sí pé a ní ní relationship pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹ̀yà tó kù, àmọ́ a lè ṣe ìjọba ti ara tiwantiwa. Ìdí tí a ṣe ń sọ pé Yorùbá Nation Movement kò tíì kú o, fáwọn tó ń béèrè pé ṣé Yorùbá Nation Movement ti wá tán ni a gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́? No. Ìtẹ̀síwájú ló ṣì ń lọ lórí ẹ̀. Lótìítọ́ lódodo, ó ti wun gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé ká ti délẹ̀ lérí, but àìtí gba country, so a ṣì wà nínú pé a fẹ́ gba country. United Nations ò tí grant ìran Yorùbá ní country o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò tí sílùú kankan tó lè jáde pé àwọn ti mọ̀ pé Yorùbá Nation ìlú ni. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé Yorùbá ni wá kó tó di pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà kó gbogbo wa papọ̀. But lénìí ní 2023 ní April, kò tí sílùú kankan tó lè sọ pé Yorùbá Nation country ti dúró. Àmọ́ a ṣì ń engage wọn ni. A dẹ̀ ń sọ fún wọn pé bí gbogbo ìlú tó wà náà ní gbogbo àgbáyé ṣe ń fẹ́ òmìnira tí àwọn kan dẹ̀ ti gbà á, àwa náà ńkọ́? Àwa náà fẹ́ dá dúró. Ó dẹ̀ ti di dandan pé kó gbọ́ sí wa lẹ́nu. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Follow us on all our social media handles: on Twitter at Koiki Media, on Instagram at Koiki Media, and the three Facebook is, one is Koiki Media, and the other two is Koiki Media Odudua, and we also have the page called Koiki Media Odudua. You can also email us at info@koikimedia.com, or why not check our website at www.koikimedia.com. Odua, Yoruba Nation is no going back, and nobody can stop a movement. A movement will continue until we have what is our fundamental right under the United Nations. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.